Hi y'all, it's been a little while since we've done a video, and today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and we're not going to do the traditional Thanksgiving turkey and stuff. We're going to do some pulled pork, smoked bologna, some slow cooked southern style green beans. We're going to do a tater salad and some other things. So I'm going to cut this up in a couple of different videos. Each video will be its own, portion of the meal. Part of it I'm going to combine together, like there's no use in firing up the smoker for, bologna, then going back and smoking ham. Might as well just get it all done together, and I'll piece those together in the videos. But let everybody know, what's up. But anyway, let's get the charcoal going. Alright y'all, this is going to start getting dark out here. I waited way too late to get this started. For the green beans, slow cooked green beans, I've got some ham. I've just got some of this Kentucky Legend brown sugar ham. It says it's double smoked and sliced. I'm going to throw this on there, get some smoke on it. You notice I've got the aluminum pan out here. I didn't realize that the ham was already pre-sliced until I was reading it to y'all. It's pre-sliced, so I've got it in this aluminum pan to keep it from
this ham down here is awesome. It is going to make a great ham for the green beans, for the slow cooked green beans for tomorrow. Alright Joe, it's time to get started. We're going to do some slow cooked green beans. Green beans we're going to use, I couldn't find good fresh ones, so I got these at the store. They're frozen, they've been thawed out. So we're going to dump those into a pot. Oh yeah, those look good. Even for the frozen stuff, that looks really good. In fact, that looks a whole lot better than the canned version. I may not put a full 2 bags in here. There's only 4 of us eating today. But that guarantees we got some leftovers. What I've got now, we've got some of this garlic that we roasted up yesterday. And what I'm going to do is squeeze this out real good, and then I'm going to mash it up, and we're going to put it into there. And I'm also going to chop up a onion, get it diced up real good. I'm going to put that in there, and I'll bring you right back once that's done. Alright, if y'all remember last night we cooked up, or smoked up some ham and some bologna. Well, now's the time to start using that ham. In fact, I may not. There's an awful lot of ham. May not use it all. I do want this good. I do want a good amount of ham in there, though. Let me get you guys up before you can see. Well, if you want it hammy, make sure it's hammy. What we're going to do now, we're just going to, this already cut up, little 1/8 inch slices, thereabouts. So, yeah, right there starting to look good. The only thing I'm going to do now is I've got some of these red potatoes I peeled last night. I'll throw a little bit of those in there. Alright, we're back here at the stove. If I had some broth, I'd throw that in there like a chicken broth. I don't. So we're gonna have to use some water. And since we're using water, I don't know where you guys get your water. Mine doesn't come seasoned. So we're gonna throw some pretty good helping of sea salt in here. About like that. I'm making a mess with the water. That's alright, it's cooking. There we go. What we're going to do now is we're going to put this on about a medium high. We're going to find a spoon. If we can give this a stir. It's gonna be good. This right here could be a meal in itself. Oh yeah. We will get that cooking. While we're here, I found a use for something. You know, we got these, I'm going to do a video on how to make coffee. We got these leftover coffee lids. These right here make a good little place to put your spoon while you're cooking. Who would have thunk it? Well, I'm going to throw a lid on this and I'll bring y'all back a little bit later. We're going to let this go for a couple of hours. Alright y'all, I'm going to do this off tripod. As you can see, these green beans are done. These have been sitting on the stove simmering for probably 3 hours. I'll at least get you in the shot. These have been sitting on the stove for at least 3 hours. And they are tender. So what I'm going to do right now is I just turn them off to heat. And I'm going to probably put them into a bigger container to get some airspace going. I need to transport these to the in-laws, and so I need these to cool down pretty quick. So I'm going to put these in a different container, bigger container, get these things to start cooling down, and then we'll reheat over there. Those turned out awesome. And y'all go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that kind of good stuff. Thumbs up, Google Plus it, all that kind of good stuff. Alright, see y'all later.